errors. But why use AI in the first place? Two words: speed and accuracy. By automating defect detection, we can process images far quicker than a human eye. Plus, the AI system is not prone to fatigue or subjective judgment, which means its accuracy remains consistently high. Thus, AI offers a powerful tool for optimizing defect detection in PCBA test fixtures. Let's summarize why AI-driven defect detection is a game-changer in the field of electronics manufacturing. Firstly, AI technologies bring an unprecedented level of accuracy and speed to defect detection in printed circuit board assembly or PCBA test fixtures. By harnessing the power of machine learning and complex algorithms, AI can spot defects that may be missed by the human eye. This isn't just about catching more defects, it's about catching them faster. And in the world of electronics, speed is everything. Secondly, by identifying defects early in the production process, AI can help reduce costs significantly. It's simple math. The sooner a defect is spotted, the less it costs to rectify. By catching defects at the earliest stages, we can prevent wastage of materials and labor, translating into substantial savings. Thirdly, AI brings a level of consistency to defect detection that was previously unachievable. No matter how many batches of products you're dealing with, AI can maintain the same high level of accuracy. This consistency ensures that every product that comes off the line meets the highest quality standards. And lastly, AI-driven solutions have the potential to revolutionize the electronics manufacturing industry. By automating and optimizing defect detection, we're not just improving the quality of our products, we're shaping the future of manufacturing itself. With AI-driven defect detection, we have a powerful ally in our quest for perfect PCBA test fixtures. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of AI in electronics manufacturing.